Okay, so we're gonna start with our this thing, the August 2025 idea. So what we'll do is we'll select the kind of equipment, and then we will do pipe sizing today. I'll teach you how to do pipe sizing as well. So let's figure it out. Just a second. Hit the cancel loop. Okay, you guys remember VRF system? Yes, someone else is also joining. It's 2 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we will basically so now what we're going to do is we'll place our HVAC equipment and do the piping as well. Is it fine? Okay. So I'm audible, right? By the way.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So what we'll do is this completely around 30 tons we got it. So we will try to because highest available VRF system is 80R. Or else we can even go for DX system. That means what we'll do is we will have its own we can customize the AHU and for that we'll separately connect our DX unit. So workstation or else we'll do it separately and we'll do VR system only for these areas. Is it fine? What we'll do is for workstation, we will calculate it separately. We'll do it separately using ductable or something. Only for this conference room and for all these rooms, we will use our VRF system. Yeah, because VRF system highest available indoor unit is 8 tons. Of course, more than that is also available, but it will be DX system. That means, you have to have a customized AHU. To that, you will have a coil that will be connected to outdoor unit. So like that also we can do it. So, but instead of confusing you guys with all those things, we'll go for standard VRF system for other rooms. And in this case, we'll go for we'll go for some ductable units. Is it fine?
Okay.
So conference room, reception area, discussion rooms, manager cabins, and pantry and server room will go for VRF system. Okay. Whereas for this one, we'll go for ductable units. Okay. So we'll go for this particular one. So first of all, we have to finalize the capacities. So if you remember, this is a civil heat load, right? Yeah. Oh, sorry. This is what we have done at Elva. Okay. So if you see heat load summary, we got to know this is 32 tons that we are doing it separately. Anyway, that's 32 tons. In that again, we have got individual rooms, so that's okay. We'll figure it out. Then selected equipments and all. So what we'll do here is we have to calculate for each area, we will select the equipment. Okay. So here for conference room, what is it? It's 4 TR, 4.06 it has come. So can I select 4 TR equipment? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So I'll take 4 TR cassette, or I'll write 4 TR alt IC uh, type of equipment. So the type of equipment is cassette AC. And then I've got pantry. Pantry, how much I got? 2.81 tons I got it. So 2.81 tons means approximately 3 TR. So this also will go for cassettes, 3 TR cassette. And then coming to the next one is server room is 2.73 tons we got it. So we can't have, we will have like, because there is something called as mega split AC, but in VRF system, it's not available. So we have to go for either D, because anyway, we require one working one standby, alva. So we'll write 2TR mega split AC. That also we might not go for VRF system because, as I told you, server room will require 24 by 7. So if we are a one outdoor unit or anything gets failed, the total system will be a failure. So it's better we go for an independent DX system, and for that we'll keep a timer or something. Is that fine?
Okay.
So DX mega split we'll go for DX mega split AC. But now we have to calculate for all these areas. So in this case, you already know, see reception, for all these things, we already know in the total area, we already have for example, what is the area we got? 5901 and the tonnage is 31.12. So if you want to calculate per square feet, how much is it? Is equal to tonnage by square feet by tonnage. That will give me approximately the value of 180. So for every 189.59 square feet, I have to go for 1 ton. You agree?
Yeah.
Because for 5,900 square feet, we got 31.12 tons. That's the reason. So now for 189 square feet means we have to calculate the area and roughly we will increase it because as a cabin means the concentration will be higher. Or if you are really not sure, it's better you calculate a separate heat load. So you want me to calculate separate heat load or we'll go for some round of values? Your call.
Separate.
Separate heat load you want me to?
Yeah.
Okay, ठीक है, cool. So the reception, everything. So we have to do three heat loads in this case. Discussion rooms we have to do it. One discussion room we have to do it. Reception we have to do it, and manager cabin we have to do it. You agree?
Yeah.
Because three, if we do it, almost it's similar. So let's do it quickly. So what we'll do is, okay. So I'll calculate one more sheet over here. Move a copy. Move to end. Okay. Route number 05. Rename room number 06. And then we have more copy 07. So I'm just editing the cells. Okay. So here, if you see room number, this is B5 is there. So this I have to make it as B6. Okay. And I mean, whichever is there, I have to copy it. So instead of D5, which is D6. And again, equipment load is E6. And all these things, nothing is there here. Ceiling load, floor load, nothing is area. Outdoor condition is also 6. And this also is 6 of 6. This anyway, outdoor conditions is same. I don't have anything here. So yeah. So this will give 8 minute B6. Just say this is my mistake. Yeah, because this is design brief, it's constant throughout the same, so it's fine. I need not really change that. Yeah. Then coming to the next one that we have is room number 05. So let's make as reception.
Mm.
Okay, space for, I'll write it in summary, don't worry. So now I have to do for other areas. So here it's B7. Basically B7 in the sense, I'll just show you. 7 in the sense, it is going to this particular cell. So we are adding it over here. Understood?
Mm.
Alt-IR. Okay. So let me see whether it got changed or what. Okay, it got changed to 9. So I have to uh, just Excel because I've inserted after giving it. So I'll do one thing. This is B5 alva. So this will
Mm.
be B6. Yeah, B6. Just set protection floor area roof. So occupancy is 6. Equipment load is 6. Height and revenue to provide fresh air is fine. All the things are fine. Yeah. Then coming to this one is 7. Base 7. And this one is 7. Here also is 6. Yeah. 7 alva. Then occupancy is again from 7. Uh, Equipment load is again from 7. Here did I change equipment load? Yeah. So that's all. Nothing else. Rest all we get it from them. So that's okay. And then coming to room 6 is over. Then it will be room 7. So this will be 8. I mean below cell. That's the reason, nothing else. 8, and this is also 8, C8. And then here the occupancy is G8. Equipment load is H. And then fresh air losing stuff. Yeah, I don't think rest all is not a problem. Uh, See area, size, number of people, equipment load. These are the only things, right? Variables that we've given. That's all. Into conditions, outer conditions, anyway we are aware of. Okay. So now what we'll do is we'll give a name to it in heat load summary. So what is it? Room number 4 will go for reception. 5 is reception.
Yeah.
Yeah, reception. So we'll go for area. We'll just give what is the area that I wanted it. So roughly this I can take as an approximate area. Though I have a wall, it's kind of open. So this air and this air is going to mix in. So it'll be 344.30 square feet. 344. 344 is 50. And number of people, it's 3 plus 3, 6 people. And then
Mm.
equipment load, it's 2 systems. So is equal to 2 into
Yeah.
0.3
3.
kilowatts. So 300 watts. So that's the reason 3.6 kilowatts. So this one is room 05. I have to do it. 05. What is it? It's B66, right? So it will be B66 cell. So automatically it will be 2.73 currently because I'm yet to change that anyway. So this is room 5. So see if I'm also have to copy the same. Room 05 will do it. Done. Then select the equipment. After select the equipment, that's what's it? I don't know if I have highlighted it. Done. Then coming to serial number 6 is again what is this one? So I can take it as a discussion room.
Yeah.
Discussion room. And then area of the discussion room is how much? So that's again 180 square feet, 180 SFT. And the number of people we have to take as how many? 4 people.
4.
4 people. Equipment load is 4 systems, so is equal to 4 into 0.3. In the tonnage, it will be as per heat load, obviously. So this value, yeah. So I'll rate it as room 06. And then coming to this one is this one, okay. Then again, this also I'll copy the text. This will be room 06. Yeah. Then coming to serial number 7 is manage a cabin, right?
Mm.
Cabin. What is the area of the manager cabin? It will hardly take any time. How much 180 SFT, alva? So 180 SFT is manager cabin as well. Number of people are 4 again. 4, but equipment load is only one system. So, 0.3 kilowatts, and then tonnage as per heat load is okay. This I'll copy it over here. So this second it is room 7. So the file, uh, that's the reason I didn't give the room names and the tab a little bit after me. So now we have to go to room 567 and we have to edit those values, right? Okay. So room number 5. So if we go to room number 5 over here, you can see it. So this is 344 SFT that we already got it. Number of people, everything is done. So height and all also we need not check because it's constant throughout the project. Only
Mm.
thing is partition in these exposed walls is what we have to really worry about. So here, if you see the reception, so you don't have any windows luckily, right? But you have got two exposed surfaces. One is west and south. So west, this is it, and south is this gate. So this is 17, 1 by 22, around 17.1 worst case I can take it. So 17.1 is equal to. So that is on west side is equal to 17.1 into G33. That's your height. I've multiplied it with. And south again, I've got 20 feet is equal to 20 into G33. Partition surface, there is nothing as such because all the other sites are air conditioned. You agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need not really worry. So this is done. So I've given these areas, so automatically I'll get the heat load there. Don't worry. Nothing else you need not to worry. Above floor, below floor, all those things are constant because we've already done it. Occupancy, equipment load, we have changed it. Yeah, that's all. And reception area also, we can take like 5 CFM and 0.06 CFM as per ISHRE handbook. You remember?
Mm.
Right. Then coming to the next one is room number 6. Room number 6 again. So in room number 6, again, we have to really worry about the partitions as such. So if you take it, so in this particular room, only exposed wall surface is south, nothing else. You agree? So
Yeah.
that's 12 is equal to, what is it? South alva is equal to 12 into G33. Done. This is any glass? Luckily, no.
Mm.
So that's the only thing that I have to enter. Nothing else is required. Then coming to manage a cabin also, similarly, it will be same glass, same wall width. I've got it. Nothing else. Which is again, how much is this? 12 feet again. So this is also in south is equal to 12 into G33. I got it. So totally, we got this tonnages. You can see it in heat load summary again. The heat load summary again, you got this value. You agree?
Mm.
Right. So you came to know this value is 1.16 tons is your reception area. And whereas in this discussion room and all is hardly zero point 0.9 tons and zero point 0.6 tons respectively. You agree? So don't you
Mm.
think I can go for 1.16 means 1.2 TR equipment because in the VRF system you have this 1.2 as well. So 1.2 TR high wall. And this area also, can I go for in this discussion room also, can I go zero point 0.9 means I can go for 1 tier high wall?
Mm. Yeah.
And in a manager cabin, it is again each manager cabin is zero point 0.6 tons. So minimum available is, if I'm not wrong, is zero point 0.8 tons. So we'll go for zero point 0.8 tier equipment.
Yeah.
So we'll give all these values and automatically. So now we have selected the equipment that we require. Now what we'll do is we'll go for VRF system. We'll place this particular equipment. We'll do pipe routing and then they'll go for pipe sizing as well. It's quite simple anyway. Okay.
Yeah.
So now what we'll do is we'll select the equipment and we'll place it there. Okay. So first I'll open the brochure for you to understand. Just a sec. Yeah. So first I'll open the brochure. You see, this is not right. Anyway, done. So now what we'll do is I'll work on the brochure on data engines. Brochures. Yeah, I'll go for VRF system or VRV. Yeah, multiple branch VRF systems everywhere. So I generally go for Daikin, which is really nice. VRBX brochure. Yeah. Hmm. So this is your outdoor unit of your VRF system that you have it on the catalog. Okay. So these are the multiple HPs that are available 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 like that. So here, please remember a conversion whenever you work on a VRF system. Here, HP to tonnage is bit different. Here, 1 HP is 0.8 tons. Okay. 1 HP is 0.8 tons.
1 HP.
1 1 HP is equal to 0.8 tons, which means 1 ton is equal to 1.25 HP. Understood?
Okay.
Yeah. It's like
Yeah.
HP2. I'll just mark it anywhere. So HP to TR, HP to TR. Okay, so 1 HP is 0.8 TR. Okay, so 1 TR is equal to this value divided by zero point 0.8 I can do.
Mm.
So 1.25. That's what I said. Understood?
Okay.
So this is your conversion for us that we regularly use it anyway. Okay. Then coming to the next one is the VRF system. So whenever you work on a VRF system, always remember, you have to select first your indoor units, and then according to your outdoor indoor total capacity, you have to select your outdoor unit. Understood? And here you have a concept called as diversity. So what do you mean by diversity means? Let's say you've got a total tonnage of some, your total indoor capacity is 10 tons, let's say. But do you think in all the rooms, every time, you'll have a full load?
No.
Especially, it's like offices where people will move from one room to the other room. Like, for example, in our case, the same people who are there in workstation will be sitting in conference room. You agree?
Yeah.
So, in those cases, we can go for diversity factor. That means compared to your indoor unit, your outdoor capacity will be lesser. Understood. Because if one location, if the load shifts, automatically that indoor unit doesn't require that much capacity. I mean that much refrigerant is not required. So your electronic expansion valve, whichever is there, that electronic expansion valve will cut the required flow rate in that evaporator coil. Understood. That I already explained you guys if you remember.
Mm.
And we are while explaining the classification of air conditioners, we had this discussion where your according to the load, your indoor unit will basically stop the flow using your electronic expansion valve. You guys remember?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So here, what we'll do is we'll basically work on your indoor and outdoor selection. So here you can see these are the capacities that are available. Okay. 0.8 HP is also in fact available. So 0.8 HP is like zero point 0.6 tons probably. So 6.6 also if you want we can actually install in the discussion room. So shall we go for zero point 0.6 tons?
Yeah. Okay.
Because 0.8 TR is equal to point, just a sec, let me check it. Zero point 0.6 into 0.8. Sorry, into
No.
1.25
1.5.
alwa. Yeah,
Mm.
0.75. No, okay, 0.7. Sorry, HP alva. My mistake. Then it will be zero point 0.5 tons only. Because this is zero point 0.6 HP. in divided by into 0.8 I have to do it. So that will only be 0.48. So it's better if we don't select this at all. Understood? So zero
mm,
point 0.8 because zero point 0.5 tons this is, which is too less for us. Understood?
mm,
So we've got zero point 0.8 HP, we have it. That is, we can, oh, zero point 0.8 alva, 0.8 into 0.8. Yeah, 0.64. Yeah, we can select this, no problem. Because this capacity is higher than our heat load alva.
mm.
So we can go for this zero point 0.8, no problem. Okay, anyway, so we have got high wall also. You can see these circles, right? These circles represents the availability in that particular model. For example, if you take this cassette, you have got from 1 HP to 5 HP. Similarly, this cassette model also with this particular one, you have got this for 1 HP to 6 HP you have. These compacted type of 2 by 2, 2 feet by 2 feet AC is available only from zero point 0.5, 0.8 HP to 2 HP. So like that, this is two-way cassette AC. This is one-way cassette AC. These are like kind of a FCUs. These are ceiling mounted ductable type of units. So like this, multiple type of indoor units are present for which, I mean, using this, we'll be selecting a particular type of equipment. Understood or not?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So here, post what we'll do is we'll go for high wall unit. So this high wall, so currently I'm not worried about the dimensions of that equipment. So if you really wanted to go to the dimensions of that equipment, you can even refer this as well. Just a sec, I'll show you. That you will get the size, each and everything. You get it from here. Just a second. Yep. From here, you get to have the sizes enough. For example, if this is a cassette AC, this is what is the airflow rate, what is the pipe connections you have to connect, what is the dimensions of the unit, everything you'll get it over here. Understood? Clear? Okay. So from each equipment you can further go. So currently my concentration is not the drafting part. It's about the pipe sizing. So let's ignore the size of the equipment currently. Is it fine?
Yeah.
So we'll directly go to the selection sheet and then I will go ahead with this. So what we'll do here is only thing that you have to do is you have to resize the equipment as per its given data, nothing else. The dimension was just a second. Push it further. Yeah. So here, what we'll do is we'll go for these we'll select each type of equipment upon the available capacities. Let's start with this. So I have a blocks for it as well. So I'll currently use a block. So standard design jobs, standard blocks. Yeah, my idea I have it, but we can use similar. Someone else tried to join, is it? No, hi Mohammed, you have joined late. Just a sec. Did you join?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, so this is our equipment. I would like to place it in all the discussion rooms or meeting rooms wherever we wanted it. These are our high wall units. Okay. So in this discussion room and meeting rooms as well, of course, it will generally be a bit higher length, but currently it's only for the representation, so don't forget. So I placed all these units. Is it fine? So I placed all the indoor units, which is our high voltage. And then for pantry. So for pantry, what is it that I wanted to select?
Oh,
Pantry, it's three-tier cassette. You agree?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So I'll again go for this idea equipment I have it. So I'll go for cassette AC. This is in and this is in feet. That's the reason 1 by 25.4 if we do it. So this is a cassette AC. So this should exactly come to unit is 3 feet. Yeah, 3 feet. 3 feet. It will generally be, yeah. Uh, okay. Anyway, we'll go for one cassette AC over here. At the center, we'll go for one cassette AC. Of course, this dimensions of probably is not correct. The dimensions will generally be 900 by 900. It will be. So 900 by, I'll show you here also. You have the sizes anyway. Yeah, 950 by 950. So 950 is 3 feet, right?
Yeah, 3 feet.
950 by 25 is around 3 feet. You have it. Just a second, someone. Yeah. So 3 feet we got it. So that's okay. So we got it away. So what we'll do here is we will try to push it at the center because cassette will be able to push air even up to 10 feet around. So 10 feet is we can draw a circle over here, approximately 10 feet if you do it also. Till here it will cool, which is fine in most of the practical cases. You agree?
Mm.
10 to 12 feet it can easily throw, which is fine for this. From 3 meters to 4 meters it will throw. So 4, if you take it also, it's around 12 feet. Yeah, it'll cool most of the place. So that's okay. The throw will be till that point anyway. So one cassette suffices here. And this we can go for 3TR equipment, right?
Yeah, yeah. Mm.
So we'll do one thing. I'll just place this equipment over here. I'll write the text. So what is this tonnage? Okay, in reception, what is it we thought? Reception also is like 1.2 TR alva, high volume unit.
Mm.
So we'll go over this side. We'll go for 1.2 TR high volume unit over here. This location I would like to place a 1.2 TR high volume. And the last thing that we have is conference room, which is again 4 TR equipment, right? So I'll write the tonnage as well. So reception is how much? 1.2 TR, right? Yeah.
Mm.
So this is 1.2 TR equipment. We'll see whether it's available or not. Don't worry. So this is 1.2 TR equipment. And then we have got a discussion room. What is the tonnage?
One,
Sorry.
20 years.
Discussion room is zero point 0.9 TR. Alva?
Mm. Mm.
Okay. 0.9 TR means we have selected one TR and this is again a point 60. So this value is 0.6 TR. 0.65 or whatever it is. That's okay. We'll figure it out. That's zero point 0.8 is equal to zero point 0.8 into 0.8. 0.64 TR. We have selected it. So 1 TR and 0.64 TR. This is discussion room is 1 TR, 1.0 TR, and these values the same will lie over for all the discussion for all both the discussion room, and this will be 0.64 TR alva.
Mm.
64 TR. Right. So this is 0.64 TR, and this is also a 0.64 TR. And what is the tonnage of your this one is 3 TR, right?
Pantry.
Pantry is 3 TR.
Mm.
Just a second. Light F1. 3 TR. And the last thing that we have got is here. It's a conference room. What is the unit?
Hey, mom, this one.
4 TR is available. Alva. Sorry. Conference room is how much? Conference room is 4 TR cassette. You agree?
Mm. Mm.
The room seems, if I keep it at the center also, for conference room and all, you have to be very careful. Uh, what is the dimension? Around 12 feet. If you do it also, it will, yeah, it will cover most of the things. So one cassette is sufficient. If not, it's better we split it into two cassettes, 2 tons of 2 tier. That's okay. Currently, one is fine. So we'll go for 4 tier cassettes. This is 4 tons equipment. You agree? 4.0
Mm.
TR. right? Now we have to select the model numbers as well. I mean, model numbers in the sense, like at least we'll make sure that it's available with the OEM. Okay. So 1.2 tons means how much will be the HP? I see. Sorry. Hold I see. I'll just convert this into HP for our ease is equal to this
Mm.
value into 1.25.
1.25.
Yeah. I'll
Mm.
just add all those things. Control D. Why? Huh?
Not linked.
Into. It'll not happen. I mean, it's controllers. If I don't save it, no, the Excel sheet is a bit slow. That's the reason I think it is.
Mm.
So here you can see 5 HP is available or not. We have
Mm.
to check it in HP. This is in HP for our marking and just marking it. So this is 5 HP. So we'll choose first of all whether do we have 5 HP cassette units? Yes, 5 HP cassette
Mm.
unit is available. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So here there is something called as capacity index that will be useful for us. Don't ignore it. There is something called as number 125. So this model is FXFQ 125 SVM. Understood or not? This 125 is a code that we have to use it. And it will be useful for us while doing pipe sizing anyway. Don't worry. Clear? So we have got for 5 HP, we got this value as 125. So I'll just mark it over here. So I'll change the color of this for ease. I'll mark the color as seen or something. Yeah. So what is it? It's 125, right? This code is 125. I'm just marking it. Don't worry. We will use this code later on. Don't worry about it. Then coming to the next one is we have got 1.2 TR. So 1.2 TR means how much is
Mm.
1.2 TR in HP?
1.2 is
This anyway didn't require.
1.67.
1.6. This
1.7.
is sorry. Okay, this is yeah. Oh, pantry is 3 TR, right? Okay,
Mm.
control Z. Server room, how much is the tonnage? Oh, 2.73, right? Okay. So this is DX equipment will go for it, so don't worry. This is 3TR DX unit. Okay. So how much is what is the next one? We have to go for reception, Alva. So reception, what is the tonnage?
1.5.
1.2. So we have to go for 1.5 HP.
1.12
So let's
HP.
see whether 1.5 HP is exactly available or not. So 1.6 HP is available. You agree?
Mm.
After 1.25, I've got 1 point. So I'm forced to select 1.6. So if I convert back from 1.6 to this one, how much will it be is equal to? I'm just using the free space, that's all. So 1.6 into 0.8. So 1.28 it is available. You agree?
Mm.
So this will be 1.28 tons. Yes or no?
Mm.
Because exactly it's not available. So we'll go for the nearest higher value. So what is this capacity? You have to use it. Capacity index. We'll take it from here. What is the capacity index here?
40.
1.28 tons. Sorry, capacity
40.
index is
40.
1.28 is 1.6. That's 40. You agree?
40. Yeah.
That's 40. We got it. Okay. It doesn't have any units. Usually. Then coming to discussion room. Discussion room is 1 TR. So 1 TR is 1.25 HP. You agree? So that is 31.25.
Mm.
So that's 31.25. So this is 31.25. 31.25. So same again, 31.25. Okay, 0.64 TR is nothing but your zero point 0.8 HP, which is 20. You agree? So this is
Mm.
again 20, 20, and this is again 20. And the last one is your, pantry. Where's your pantry? Just a sec. Yeah, this is
3.
pantry.
3 tier.
Pantry is 3.75 HP. You agree? So 3.75, if I'm not wrong, is not available. 4 HP is available. Yeah, 3.75 is not available. Directly 4 HP is available. You agree? You have to
Mm.
slightly increase the capacity. Sorry, 3.75 tons, right?
HP.
This is 3.75 HP. Yeah. So 4 HP I have to go for. So 4 HP, if I wanted to go for it, is equal to 4 divided by 4 into 0.8. 3.2 tons I have to go for. As 3 tons is not available, I'm choosing 3.2 tons. Understood or not? And a
Mm.
slight in decimals, we're increasing the capacity. That's okay. So considering this, what is this one I have to consider? 4 HP means it's 100. Capacity index is 100. So this is 100 I've considered. Yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to work on the pipe routing. We have to work on pipe routing. Then we will be able to work on the sizing the first. Well, first we have to route the pipe. Then we will do on the pipe sizing. Is it fine? So can I
Mm.
place my equipment somewhere on the terrace? If I have 2, 3 floors, I can obviously keep it on the terrace as well. You agree?
Mm.
So I'll do one thing. I'll just copy it, copy this rectangle. So obviously this is my terrace, nothing else, right? This cell will be my terrace. You agree? So can I place it somewhere over here? Approximately this location, shall I place my equipment? Yes or no? Hello.
Yeah.
Am I audible? And are you able
Yeah.
to follow?
Yes.
Okay. Fine. So now we will add all the tonnages to get or the total HPs to get the final outdoor capacities. So here what we'll do is we'll just go into this one. So this is the HP that we got it, zero point 0.8 HP. All these are, so this is 4 HP, right? We've changed it to 4 HP due to lack of its availability. What are the changes we have done? This is 5
Mm.
HP. 4TR is how much? Just a second. So somewhere we have edited pa. I don't remember which one. This one is 40R. This 1.28 reception also we've changed it, Alva. So
Mm.
reception is 41.6 HP. This is 1.6 HP. You agree?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
Now we will do one thing. I'll create a new sheet. For example, for taking the summary. I mean equipment summary. Equip. Sorry, I'll write it separately. So I'll just write the room names and then we'll give the time so that I don't want to confuse it with heat load summary. That's the reason. Okay. So I'll take workstation, pantry, all those rooms. Yeah. So this is room name, serial number. Okay. Workstation is not under my VRF system, so I can delete it. Conference room, yes. Pantry, yes. Server room, no. Reception, discussion rooms, how many are there? Two, right?
Mm.
Control D and Control D. Okay. Now coming to under a bit more capacities, I'm gonna give it. This is okay. Room name, conference room. Then coming to capacity in HP. Capacity in HP. I'm to select it. So conference room, what is it?
2.2.
Just I'll just go separate names to it. Manager cabin 01, manager cabin 02. Done. Yeah. How much you said? Conference room, what is it? I don't remember anyway. Conference room is
Four.
HP is 5 HP, Alva.
Five. Five.
So capacity in HP is 5 HP and pantry.
3.2.
No, pantry is somewhere around 4 HP.
Three. No, four. Four. Four.
Yeah, 4 HP. And then reception.
It's 1.2.
1.6 HP.
Mm.
1.6 HP. And discussion room on 1.25 HP, 1.25 HP. And manager cabin is point 0.8
Point
HP.
8 is.
Yeah, this is point 0.8 HP, point 0.8 HP. So I'll just delete this guy to avoid confusion. We don't want this and want that taken up. So indoor capacity, outdoor capacity, let's not worry. Anyway, then coming to the next one that I have to do is here in this equipment selection. So this is a total tonnage that we total HP is 14.78. You agree?
Mm.
Sum of all those things. Yeah. So in this, we can at least generally, thumb rule is we'll generally go for at least 20% diversity for safety reasons. I mean, if you can go for more, but not every OEM will provide. But again, you'll have compressor issues and also depending again on your application. Okay, you can even go up to 50% diversity. But generally, for all the office application for safety reasons, we'll generally consider 20% as your diversity. Understood? So if you take 20% as diversity, so this is your total outdoor HP. You agree?
Mm.
Sorry, your indoor HP total capacity is
Mm.
total HP capacity. Now, if I want outdoor capacity, what I can do, maximum, okay, minimum capacity that I have to have for outdoor is for outdoor for ODU considering diversity. Okay, so I can take 20% means I can take it as this into divided
1.2.
by 1 point or I can directly multiply with 80%. Yes or no? So 11.76. So if I have 12 HP equipment, can I select it?
Okay.
So your indoor HP is 14.7, but we have chosen 12 HP. Or other shortcut is instead of this HP confusion, we'll select all the indoor tons in tonnages and the same total tonnage what you get, you selected in equipment. So like
Mm.
in HP, so automatically you'll get that 20% anyway. Understood?
Mm.
Anyway, for you not to have confusion, I've just made it. So your indoor capacity is 14.7 HP. Your outdoor capacity is 12 HP. That means your outdoor capacity is slightly lesser than your total indoor units. Understood or not?
Yeah. Okay.
So we have to choose. First of all, let's see whether 12 HP is available or not. It should be, but let's see whether it's available or not. I'm not sure. Okay. 12 HP is also available. You can see single outdoor unit 6, 8, 10, and 12.
Mm.
So we can have 12 HP equipment as well. Okay, so this model is RXQ12ARY6. This is your this one. So anyway, we'll go for 12 HP unit, which is this one. We'll select our outdoor unit as well. So let's consider it's on the terrace somewhere over here. So I'll select the equipment from my equipment. Single outdoor unit, 12 HP. Yeah, because the unit is in. So this is my outdoor unit. I've got it. Is it okay? So this is the outdoor unit we have got it. So from this one, I wanted to connect to all the equipments. So now shall we go for piping?
Mm.
Yes.
Okay.
Is a ref net? I don't have it, is it? No, these are the blocks I generally use it whenever I require it, but anyway. Hmm. Now what we'll do is we'll basically take this particular equipment into consideration. I'll do one thing if it's okay. So, just a sec. No? I just wanted to remove these things. I want to convert everything into gray so that it will not be confused. There will be any confusion. Is it okay?
Okay.
Lay on, lay top. Yeah. Oh, Windows, I forgot, is it? This also I'll change it. Okay. So now we came to know that this is our this is our equipment. I mean, only this will be highlighted. That's the reason I've converted everything to gray. Don't worry. So now what we'll do is we have to do the pipe sizing. So what I'll do here is from here I'll take the pipe to the below floor, and from there we will run parallel to each cabin, and then we'll connect it. And here again we'll go and connect to this guy over here, which is your conference room. Is it fine?
Okay.
So first I'll use a separate layer for this, which is piping. Yeah. Okay. So first, what I'll do is I'll create one particular thing which is called as a refinite joint. So what is a refinite joint? You guys remember it?
Multiple joints connecting
So one pipe is connected to two separate pipes. That is
one
refinite. If
separate.
you have
Yeah.
more than that, you call it as header set, but we don't use it header
Refinite,
set.
yeah.
We generally use refinite joint. So I'll just
Refinite.
create a small refinite joint. Small. And I'll take it. Okay. Something like this. And then I'll take it as 1 inch. Yes. This I call it as a refinite joint. Understood?
Mm.
This is my reference joint, let's say. So I'm just creating a reference joint, which is over here. Now what we'll do is this particular reference joint, whatever I have it, we use it all the locations. Okay. So from here, the piping basically I'll use with 1 inch, 1 inch. That's okay. So from here, the piping is going to below floor. You agree?
Mm.
So I'll just copy it from this corner to understand exactly where it's coming, taking that as reference and placing it over here. Where did it come from? Huh, it's over here. So from here, the piping is coming. So I don't want it there. In fact, I want it over here. So I'll adjust my order. So somewhere over here, it can come, right? Above the window anyway, it will get terminated inside. So don't worry. Or it shouldn't cover any window also. So let's take something like this. Yeah. So I'll shift my outdoor unit. I'll shift my copper pipe like that. I'll shift my outdoor unit equivalent to that. Let's see. Okay, so here I wanted to take my copper piping. So for ease, I want to place my outdoor unit at this location instead. Yeah. So that it's coming, your copper piping is exactly coming down at this location. So from here, what I'll do, I'll take it inside and then I'll use my reference joint. First and foremost thing is I'll take a small piping. I'll mirror image it, pipe. So from here, one pipe will be going into your conference room. You agree?
Mm.
One pipe will be going to your conference room and it gets connected to this gate. But whereas one more pipe, again, it'll be connected and then it will go inside the space. You agree?
Mm-hmm.
So from here, again, we'll go for one more refinite joint. This length actually is quite big, which is really not required. Scheme of disturbance was actually. But, uh, this- yeah, done. So now this guy, what we'll do is we'll just place it over here. Just the drafting part. I'm not designing anything. This is a branch. So always remember the branch should be for the minimum number of this thing. See, I've got only one unit, right? That's the reason I've taken it as a branch. Understood? So from here, again, we'll take it over here and then we'll split it across. We can connect it to this guy.
Mm.
And from here, I wanted to select it to this guy. Okay, at this location. Then again, I'll take it over here. Another image. Why? Uh, uh, done. So obviously, I can go for a branch over here. Right, from here to here, and taking it. This I can actually go and copy to all the indoor units, Alva.
Mm. Mm.
Here it's actually the size is that. So place my unit in. Okay, so here to here we'll have separate pipes. Then a pipe over here, one pipe over here, one pipe over here. One with the last pipe, it can get directly get selected to this pipe. You agree?
Mm.
So we have done the total piping network. So now what we have to do is we have to add the capacity indexes to get the pipe size. Understood? So here, what is this one is 100, this is 20. So this automatically becomes 120. So now what is the pipe direction? The pipe direction from here the pipe is coming. You agree? So don't you
Mm.
think this pipe is supplying refrigerant to these two equipment or not?
No.
So even though I've drawn one line, it basically means two lines. One is suction and one is discharge. You agree?
Mm.
Right. So, I mean, liquid line, not discharge. Discharge will be inside the outdoor unit. Anyway, so you have your suction line as well as your this one liquid line as well. So anyway, so what we have to do is here, if you see it, this particular one, this and this particular pipe sizes, or this and this, whatever you have it. So this pipe is supplying to these two units. So this index number will be 100 plus 20. So this becomes 120 or not? Clear?
Mm.
And 120 plus 20 is how much?
140.
140. Let me see whether the next number 20 is correct. Just check it. Yeah, 0.8 H plus 20. Okay. So this becomes 140.
Mm.
Perfect. Then coming to the next one. So 140 plus 31.5 is how 31.25 is how much?
170 point.
Uh, 140 plus 31.25. 31.25 is it? So, sorry, cal 140 plus 31.25. So that's 171.25.
171.5.
171.25. So 171.25 plus 31.25 is how much again?
200 point two.
One
202.5.
71.25 plus 31.25, what? 31.25.
31.
200.2,
Mm.
202.5, 202.5.
202.5.
I agree. And then coming to the last one that I have is 125. Plus 125 is how much? Because this guy is
3.
anyway, this pipe is 100 anyway. Yeah.
327.5.
How much?
327.5.
327.5. So this guy will be okay. Sorry, my mistake. 202 plus 40, we have to do it, Alva.
Oh, yeah,
So it
yeah.
will be
Yeah.
242.5. My mistake. 242.5 because this particular pipe is supplying to this particular one and this 40 also. You
Mm.
agree?
Mm.
So this will be 242.2.5 and then 242.5 plus this 125 is how much?
267.5. 267. 268.
267.5.
Mm.
Right. So this is our units that we have got. Understood or not?
Mm.
So now we have to do pipe sizing. So always remember, these particular one are called as branches. The pipe that is getting connected to the equipment, you call them as branches. Understood?
Mm.
So I have a sheet that has, generally for VRF system, a consultant or anyone will not do the pipe sizing. Of course, you require the pipe sizing to calculate the approximate sizes anyway. Generally, this will be done by OEM. Like manufacturers will do the pipe sizing. All you have to give is pipe routing and indoor capacities. Understood? Huh? Uh, పదకొండుకి వస్తాము పదకొండుకి వస్తాము అప్పుడు వేస్తాం అలాగే వేస్తాం అంతే ఉండవు ఠీక్ పదకొండుకి సారీ sorry. So what we have to do is we have to calculate. So these are called as branches. Understood? And this is your main pipe, main supply. You have it. So according to that, we have to do our pipe sizing. So for that, we should go to again brochures. Just all data brochures. BRV. Yeah, in this I've got a reference selection. So this is the sheet that we use it. This is provided to me by Daikin. Okay, for Toshiba, they have got their own software, which is again a simple tool. Instead, the manual method is much more better. So this will give you the pipe sizes. Understood? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this is your indoor unit. This is your main header pipe size. That means your main header. That means leaving the branches. Other pipe is called as main header, and this is your branch piping that we have to use. Understood? And this is according to outdoor unit to first reference. Your main pipe that is connected from your outdoor, whatever is connected, you have to use this particular sheet. Understood? So these three
Okay.
sheets is what you have to use for pipe sizing. Or these three tables, you have to use it for pipe sizing. Understood? This sheet
Mm.
also I'll share it to you, don't worry. I should have one more better format, just a second. Because this is a very old data, of course. The data didn't change at all, so I'm still using the same thing. Just a second, they can pipe sizing. Reference selection. Same thing. Ah, the same sheet only, I've zoomed it and we have given it. So this is the official page. Understood?
Mm.
So it's the same thing only, so don't worry. So the same pipe sizes only, I'm giving it in this as well. Don't worry. Okay? So I'll give you this particular one in which we have marked also what is main header and all. Is that fine? And this is given to me by a Dakin team. Yeah. So
Mm.
generally, as I've told you, the pipe sizing will be done by OEM, but for you to estimate the sizes and all, you require it. And once you do this sheet, even Daikin, if you do it also, 100% it will match. Well, as per OEM, there might be a slight change of plus or minus, but 99% it should be fine. Understood? Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So now we'll go for the pipe sizing. So first we'll go for indoor capacity. These are your brand sizes. So you can see up to 50 type, the pipe size is 12.7 and 6.4. Understood? So 12.7 is 12.7 mm is your gas pipe, liquid line is 6.4 mm. So we'll do within 12.7 and 6.4 alva. So I'll write text here. Percentage C, 12.7 mm and percentage C, 6.4 mm. So these are the pipe sizes that I have to use. These are the pipe sizes. So here, what is this up to which model? Up to only 50 type. But is this 50 type or is it 100 type?
100.
100. So we can't use this. But this pipe size is to up to 50. So we can definitely go for this guy. 12.7 6.4 for 20 or not?
Mm. Mm.
So from 20, it's the same size, 12.7 and 6.4. So we can directly choose this guy over here with 0, 0. Yeah. So generally, I will give pipe sizes like this so that there won't be any confusion. People will understand it. Okay? The same pipe size I can go for all the other rooms as well.
Yeah.
0.7 and 6.4 till what capacity? Till 50. This one also, and this is 40. So this one also the same thing. This is 120. So again, I cannot go for this one. Understood? Now coming to 100 type. 100 type, what is it? It's 15.9 and 9.5. You agree?
Mm.
Gas line is 15.9, liquid line is 9.5 is the pipe size. Clear? Hello?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. 15.9 and 9.5. So this value will be 15.9 and 9.5. 15.9 and 9.5. So this pipe size is 15.9 and 9.5 mm. 9.5 mm. Up to 125 type. Anyway, so this is also similar. So this is exactly 125. So we can go for this particular pipe size. Do you agree? So all the branch pipe sizes are done.
Yeah.
Now we have to take this one. So this is again your branch pipe only because it's connected to this one. So now it's 120. So for main header size, I have to go for 120. So 120 means it is lesser than 150.
Yeah.
So it is 15.9 and 9.5 again. So this will be 15.9 and 9.5 again. This pipe size is same. Just a second. I'll take it from here. Yeah. Holiday. 15 and 9.5. Then again it is 140. 140 means up to 150 it is same. You agree?
Mm.
Up to 150. So I can even for this guy also I can go for this one. So here I have to change it. 171.25. So 171.25 means it is between 150 and 200. You agree?
Mm.
So it is
Yeah.
19.1 and 9.5.
19.1.
So this is 19.1 pipe size. Then coming to the next one is 200, 202. 202 means it is crossing 200.
Mm.
So it is
22
22.5
point.
and 9.5. 22.5 and 9.5. So this is 22.5 and so what is it? 22.2 Ralva. Sorry, 22.2 and 9.5. 22.2 and 9.5 till 290. So this is also sorry, this is 40. This particular pipe size is what I meant to say was this is this pipe alva. This pipe is 40. You agree? This pipe is 242.5. So 242 means it is still below 290. So I can go for this guy,
Yeah.
22.2 9.5 or not. So we
Mm.
can definitely go for this over here. Done. Then coming to the next one that we have is this pipe size. So main thing is 260, but this should be as per your outdoor unit capacity. So your outdoor unit capacity, if you see it, what is the HP we got? 12 HP to 16 HP. So what is the pipe size you have to consider? 12 HP to 16 HP means 28.6 and 12.7. You agree?
Mm. Yeah.
So this pipe size will be 28.6. The first pipe you should never do as per main header sizes. You have to do as per this one. So this pipe size will be how much? 28.6 and 12.7. 28.6 and 12.7 because that is from your outdoor unit you got it. Understood or not?
Mm.
This is your pipe sizes. So that is nothing but your use of your capacity index. Am I clear?
Mm.
So your 12 HP outdoor unit is this is your pipe sizes that you have got. So that's how you do your VRF pipe sizing. Am I clear or not? You have to
Mm.
practice it. Without that, you will not be able to. So you will basically consider you have to select all the indoor units. You have to find out the capacity index, keep adding on the capacity index. Then you have to choose the branch size, main header pipe size, and outdoor to first ref net size.
Mm.
Understood or not?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is nothing but how you're gonna select your this thing, and reference selection also you can do it, but again that depending on the brand, so it's not required. So if you see, this is your your reference according to your indoor capacities. You have to select your reference kit name. But anyway, we need not really worry about it because you'll in BOQs as a consultant, when you prepare, you'll just give the numbers instead of model numbers and all. Because as I've told you, for Daikin it will be different, from Mitsubishi it will be different. According to the brand, the kit name or it's a company code name. So they'll only internally use it. We need not really worry about it. Clear? Hello?
Please share that
Yes.
catalogs.
I didn't get you, sorry.
Quoted.
I'll share you this catalogs, obviously. I'll share you this VRF brochure as well as this one in the group. Don't worry.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay? So with this,
Okay.
we have completed our VRF pipe sizing. Done. Tomorrow, what we'll do is I'll teach you about air distribution system. Like what are the ducts that we have, what are the dampers that we have, everything we'll do it. Then again, we'll come back to this project and here we will select some ductable units and for that we will do our ducting.
Mm.
Is it fine?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that you will understand how to do it. So practically we'll complete this entire project actually. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And by tomorrow, if possible, by tomorrow or next week mid, I'll share you one more project similar to this, some office area or something, where I expect you to work on heat load, equipment selection, VRF system, everything. So that you'll also be sure of what it is.
Okay.
Sounds fair?
Yes.
Yeah.
ठीक है, and then we'll again meet tomorrow in that case.
Yes. Yes.
Tomorrow again, 5:30. Let's chat.
Okay. Okay.